Okay guys, today's video is going to be on how to change your front brake caliper on your Chevrolet C30. Well, basically what you want to do is first loosen all your lug nuts up. If you got an impact, this is helpful. My garage is way out yonder, the other side of the yard, and the other rollback is kind of over there in the way, so we just figured we'd do it manually. But if you got air tools, it will speed up the process tons. So once you get always loose, you want to put a jack under it. Very good jack, and lots of jack stands to hold it up. Safety first, people. Safety first. So, let me go ahead and take this tire off. This is the brake caliper. And this brake caliper actually is functioning, but I put a new one on the passenger side, and I said, why the hell not put one on the driver's side too? I gotta change brake pads anyway, which they look pretty good on this side. So this is a wedge style caliper. You have this bolt right here. Looks like somebody welded. That's always nice. And you will need to remove this. What this does is taps out once you get this removed. Most of the time, is that really welded? That's welded. Well, we're going to have to fight and get this out. But once you remove this, it just screws out. This will knock over and out, and your caliper can flip up, which I'll show you. Just stay tuned. Anyway, guys, this is the new brake caliper. It's a remanufactured. There ain't much can go wrong with this brake calipers. Most of the time when they go bad, all I can do is put a new piston in them and usually a new seal. So if your caliper ain't cracked or nothing, usually the remans is actually a good way to go. But the cool thing is that little bolt that's welded we just showed you, this kit comes with a new bolt. And Tony just said it broke, so
they welded that on there.
Oh, well, that works out. So we're gonna have to fight with getting that bad boy out. Anyway, guys, as you can see, we welded a tab onto it with a welder. The heat helped it spun on out. We got vice grips on it. Now once we got that out, you can take a hammer, as you can see here, and just tap that out of the way. Once you get it so far, you might have to use a one-way or something.
There's a one-way behind you.
There's a one-way behind me. There we go. And this is how come they call them a wedge caliper. Now I'm not going to touch that because it's probably still a little hot from the welder. No, it's good. Oh, okay. Now, you can set this up out of the side, to the side I mean. And the caliper will just pretty well wiggle out now. Sometimes you have to put something in here and pry over, but it should come. Just very tap it, it's coming. And it's out. There you go.
Damn, brake caliper.
They can be a pain sometimes. There you go. Now once you get it off, you can change your brake pads. But if you're changing your caliper, you will need to pretty well undo it though. Oh, look, Tony done got the brake pads off.
Destroyed.
Had some life in it.
No.
Okay.
No, I didn't have shit in it.
But next, what I'm going to do that you probably ain't going to do is I'm going to go ahead and change that line. I got a new one. Yeah, you can take your cap off up here and pretty well crack your breather screw. As you can see, I put my new line in. Crack your breather screw and let it air bleed, gravity bleed basically. And then once it gets gravity bleed, you can tighten this back up, pump your brakes up after you get everything installed, and bleed it one time by air. But usually this is good enough and keeps air out of your system. So yeah, we let that gravity bleed a little bit more. It looks pretty good though. Okay guys, here's that part we pretty well had to weld. The good thing about this kit, it comes with a brand new bolt that you can basically put in here just like so. Now we got everything tightened. This is actually gravity bled now. Now we're going to finish tightening this up, and I'm going to bleed it one more time while somebody pumps the brakes. Just double check everything and put the wheel back on. Okay guys, that's pretty well how you install a brake caliper on your C30, the wedge style brake caliper. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did find it helpful, drop a like. I appreciate it. If you do, hit that subscribe button and check my channel out for more content. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.